Assalamualaikum, my name is Aina Fatih binti Muhammad Yusof. My student number 2020887532. Today I want to present about designing neighborhood concept. Introduction of designing neighborhood concept plan. This project is designed with the understanding and skills of formulating and developing residential and neighborhood concept based on the site analysis in project 2. The objective of a conceptual design is to establish a preliminary framework portraying the distribution and arrangement of the land use element in the residential neighborhood. Conceptual plan must be follow the shape of the study area and not necessarily a scale plan. It must take into consideration the development constraints and opportunities identified during the site analysis stage. The aim is understanding and skills of formulating and developing residential neighborhood concept based on the site analysis in Project 2. And the objective is to establish a preliminary framework portraying the distribution, arrangement of the land use element in residential neighborhood, to calculate of land use distribution, to create the concept and theme, to designing the process and stage from alternative 1 and calculation of land use distribution concept of neighborhood. The neighborhood concept needs to be standard and emphasized in all type of land and multi-story housing development to encourage interaction and social relation between. Next, the neighborhood hierarchy. Site area is 50 or 123.55 acre, equal to 2 neighborhood unit and 6 neighborhood sub. Percent of type of land use is 100% and area or area requirement and percent of site for each land use according to the density set by standard area and hectare. For the calculation of the total type of house is 30 acre, density units or acre is 903 to 6 unit, and the last population is 4,850 population. This information from Rancangan Tempatan Daerah Perak Tengah Jilid 2 tahun 2000. Next, commercial. Total residential house unit is 963 unit. 1 unit of shop house is 40 house, equal to 24 units of shop house that need to be developed. This information from Perak Tengah District Local Plan Volume 2 2003. Public facilities. The community facilities are surau, public hall and kindergarten. Total area of facilities or site area is 0.74 hektar. This information from Rancangan Tempatan Daerah Perak Tengah Jilid 2 tahun 2030 and Garis Panduan Perancangan Kemudahan Masyarakat JPBD Semenanjung Malaysia tahun. Next, infrastructure and utilities. Total facilities area or site area is 51%. The total acre and hectare for electric substation is 0.04 acre and 0.02 hectare. This information from Garis Panduan Perancangan Infrastruktur and Utility JPBD Semenanjung Malaysia tahun 2000. Water tank. Water tank has 0.49 acre and 0.20 hektar. This information from Garis Panduan Perancangan Infrastruktur and Utility JPBD Semenanjung Malaysia tahun 2000. Next, sewage treatment plant has 0.52 acre and 0.20 hektar. This information from Garis Panduan Perancangan Infrastruktur and Utility JPBD Semenanjung Malaysia tahun. And lastly, for open space, field and playground area of 5 hectare and 10%. This information from Local Plan of Central Perak District Volume 2, Year 20. Neighborhood Conceptual Plan. The Clarence Perry concept. The theme, Green Neighborhood, aim to make residential areas a place to live, work, study and recreation. Its focus on walking and continuous roads pattern. Its aim to make daily activity. Green Neighborhood. Introduction of Green Neighborhood by Clarence A. Perry was conceived of a comprehensive physical planning tool to be utilized for designing self-contained residential neighborhood which promote a community-centric lifestyle away from housing are quick to make people just can walk to that place they want. 100 meter near from area that meets needs of people daily activities such as. This page show the alternative 1 green neighborhood conceptual plan and design process stage. Safety neighborhood. Introduction of safety neighborhood means that neighborhood that free from social, mental threat and also the environment in protection. Housing. Housing with usable porch or covered areas is encouraged to allow homeowners to use their front or other space, increasing to change of interaction with others in the neighborhood while maintaining eyes on the street commercial. This page show the alternative to safety neighborhood conceptual plan and design process stage. In conclusion, the neighborhood unit plan in brief is the effort to create a residential neighborhood to meet the needs of family life in a unit related to the large whole but possessing a distinct entity characterized. Safety neighborhood can be defined as neighborhood that meet a daily activity needs of the community and enable the community. The reason I refer alternative to is safety neighborhood